show you how to play the baseball classic, Take Me Out to the Ball Game. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the melody. We're in the key of C, and you start on a C. C, C, A, G, E, G, D, C, octave, C, A, G, E, G, A, G sharp, A, E, F, G, A, F, D, A, B, C, D, B, A, G, E, D, C, C, A, G, E, G, D, D, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, 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 B, A, G, F sharp, G, A, B, C. And then let's do the introduction. Now for an introduction, I'm just going to play that last phrase. Then add this G, 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 D, G, 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 F, D, C, and then we're into the introduction. So it'll be now if you want to, you could just play an introduction. It goes. So you could go right into it. You could just skip it and play that last part as an introduction. And then for the chords, we'll have F chord, F sharp, A, C, which is actually like a D chord, but you got an F sharp diminished chord there. So we've got F sharp, and then C chord. Now you can do it either this way, C, G, so you can play either way works. But if you want to, you can just play the chord to keep the parallel chords. F chord, F sharp, A, C, and the C chord. And then you got D, G, C, G, and then I'll slow it down now and I'll keep going. Do a C, E and G, a C chord is C, E, G, and we're going to play the C, then the E and G, then the G chord, G, B, D, G chord is G, B, D, all white notes, G, B and D, back to C, E and G, G, B and D. Now we go to an A chord. Now the A chord is white, black, white, A, C sharp, E, and we play it all at once. A chord, D minor chord. D minor chord is all white notes, D, F, A, but we're going to play D, then the F and A, and then we're going to play a D major chord. Now D major chord is white, black, white, D, F sharp, A, and we'll go to a G chord right there, only we'll put the G in the center. So now, and then when we get to back to the same thing. Here we've got an F, C, and then the chord that we started off with. And if you want to play it twice, you can play it twice with just putting this optional bridge in there. So now let's take it very slowly, and you can see the hands together all the way through. This is actually a D7 chord right there. So if you were playing on an organ, you might want to hit the D pedal there, but it's but you don't need it in the chord for it to sound good. Now, if you want to go from, you can go back to the C, E, and G, or you can play this C chord with C at the top. Then we got a D, G, and if you go to the optional bridge, last chord, just hit C and G in the left hand and E, G, C in the right hand. There you have it, the 7th inning classic, Take Me Out to the Ball Game. Hope you enjoy playing it.